Here's the truck. It's a 2000 Dodge Dakota SLT 4.7 liter with 158,000 miles on it. I'll start with the outside. This thing's real great for towing. It's got the air shock system. You can see hopefully a little bit of that with the air shock there. That's the line that goes in through the wheel well to fill it up. Anywhere from 35 to 75 psi is what's recommended, and then the air nozzle to inflate it. And while I'm here, this is the camper shell. It comes with an ARE. It's actually in excellent condition. The windows all slide, the screens are in good condition, as you can see, and the lining on the interior is actually, and it looks brand new, real clean. This line here is if you want to connect to any type of 12 volt to operate the brake light system that's up top. Back to the towing features. It has the 7-pin connection and 4-pin that is wired for 12 volt, which will charge any battery that you have in the trailer. That's a feature that a lot of connections don't have, so that's actually I paid extra to have that done, so it would charge my battery. This hitch system, it's a weight distribution, doesn't come with it, but it's got the built-in 2-inch receiver, so all you need is just the hitch and a ball to get going. It's got the built-in brake controller to go with it. It's an aftermarket brake controller, as you can see right now. It's connected. It's a Primus, and it works great. I'm able to tow just under right around 6,000 pounds. The exterior, it's in good condition. Just little nicks and dings here and there that are nothing big that can't be buffed out. The worst of it, I would say, might just be right up on top here, where there's a little bit of flaking on the paint, but you don't even really notice it. It hasn't bothered me any, and you don't really even see it. But she's in real good condition. I'll go ahead and fire her up so you can hear her while she's running. She's got a nice rumble. The exhaust sounds real nice. Reminds me of my old Corvette that I used to have. Electric windows, doors, mirrors as well. Here's a bit of the dash and the instrument cluster. This is the aftermarket stereo that I said that just needs to have the speakers connected. It powers on, and it also powers anything with USB, so you can still have that function. The interior is in excellent conditions, just the cloth, but as you can see, no tears, no sign of wear at all. I mean, almost pretty much looks brand new. Same thing in the back. These seats lift up real easy for extra cargo space, if need be. And then underneath the driver's seat there is an amp. This wire is part of the whole aftermarket system. It's hard to see that amp, but it's under there if you go take a look. Let me go ahead and fire this thing up so you can hear it. We got the door open. That's the only light that's on. It's the actual miles as of today. Let me show you under the hood real quick. Engine's real clean. Hear how it ticks, just real quietly and beautiful. No issues with the engine at all. Recent fan clutch put in, and air compressor. rumble that I was telling you about. It sounds even nicer when you're riding. Well, that's about it. I'm not sure what else I might have left out, but let me know. I'll see if I can send some more videos or photos if you need be. All right, take care.